December the 19th, 2008 here in beautiful Bardstown, Kentucky, sewer capital of the world. Right here. Had about a half-inch rain in about 2 hours. Had a couple inches of snow last couple of days. This is what we get. This is typical. There's the exposed sewer line. This is the one that they find all the magical rocks and the trees and logs in that for some reason they never take a picture of them. They're never there when you're there while they're working on it. In 2004, newspaper quoted the mayor saying this is a bottleneck here. And all of a sudden, 2008, it all gets to be sabotaged. Isn't that amazing? Literally amazing. So we wish everybody out there in the world that likes to look at sewer videos a Merry Christmas here from Bardstown, Kentucky, sewer capital of the world, and everybody have a Happy New Year too.